Hey guys, Bradley here at Dragon Blogger Technology and Entertainment, and today we're going to be checking out the air fryer oven by COMFEE. Now, it comes with the air fryer itself, an instruction manual, a quick start guide, a cookbook, and the inside we have an air fry basket, a baking tray, a baking rack, and underneath the heating element we have a crumb tray so you can clean up any messes that you might make. The inside is 12 inches length and width and about 8 inches in depth. Now let's check out the buttons. Alright, so we have the power button here. We can click that on. We can change our function, which is going to change it from pizza, toast, bagel, broil, all of them that you can read right there. And each one of these you can edit. So like if I go to pizza, I can click here, time slice inch. It's going to change that top number. That's how many inches in diameter the pizza is. It has presets from 6, 9, and 12 inches in diameter. You can change the temperature, and it can go from 150 degrees up to 450 degrees. Let me click function again, and that'll set it. Click toast. You can change slices. It can go from 1 to 6, and just like a normal toaster, you can change the darkness level as well, from 1 to 7. Bagel will be the same thing as toast on the settings. Broil, you have your time and heat, so we can change how long and the temperature again. Reheat, sear crisp, air fry, air roast, rapid bake, dehydrate. You can change all the settings you'd like. If you want to see it being cooked, check on it without having to open up the door. You can click the light and it'll turn the lights on the inside. Alright, so let's test it out with some pizza rolls. One trick I like to do to avoid making as much of a mess is using that tin foil underneath. Turn it on, or you air fry. I like to do them for 7 minutes at 390. So we can just go ahead and push that in to start it. And it'll start cooking. And if you want your light to get brighter or dimmer, just hit your light button. The air fryer is made from stainless steel. The dimensions from left to right is roughly 17.5 inches. From front to back, it's about 15 inches and is just under 10 inches in height. It runs on 1,750 watts. It has a rapid heating technology. So what that does is that it makes the heating elements heat up about 40% faster when compared to a conventional oven. Then the S-shaped heating element on the bottom also gives a 50% larger heating area, which what that does is it distributes the heat better and more evenly at the same time. Alright, go ahead and grab these out. And they do look very good. Nice golden brown. Cooked all the way through, as you can tell. Pizza rolls, they're done. They're coming out the sides.